How do we do it? Welcome to our home.
Follow us right inside, y'all.
I guess we'll start with this little area here. We have a little coffee maker, she.
Yes. Dog treats. If you have an animal, we don't have an animal, but if you do.
Let's bring you this way to the kitchen area.
A little island situation here.
This is one of my favorite parts of the kitchen, actually, is the island. It's gonna be great for, like, you know,
Dinner table for when we have Christmas dinner.
nice chairs, plush.
Yes.
We've got our wine cellar.
$200 check will basically take them off the market.
So come on this way.
Watch your shins here because I nearly broke my shins.
Watch your shins because Jordan fell earlier.
What's the point?
Did I just get shushed by the camera?
Go.
So this is kind of like the sitting room here. We've got a nice couch, plush pillows. You know, this is really just like a nice little area. We've got some really cute if you want to look up lighting fixtures. Lighting fixtures are super cute. Love those. Computer too if you want to do like your workspace. Come down here, do some editing, you know, some blogger stuff. We have a nice fireplace that looks into the next room. She. In case you get cold, you know. TV for all of your sports entertainment needs. Or like
the game room.
So yeah, we've got pool,
Billiards.
What's fun of the pool table? Another TV, people, for all of your entertainment needs. We also have another fireplace that kind of comes into the room.
It's dual-sided fireplace. It's very chic.
Double paned glass.
Gaming area.
If you want to shrunk, we've got chairs. Nice chairs. What did that show? What?
I don't know. Out of the box. Out of the box. Out of the box. You guys know what I'm talking about. Comment below. Ice, Cards Against Humanity,
another
Monopoly, TV for all of your entertainment needs. Again, entertainment is key here in this place. Key.
Hey guys, so it has been 2 weeks. It's 2 weeks later
We've been a
now.
little behind. You guys have seen the first half of this whole section here. You guys have already seen the inside of the house. We're gonna show you the rest of the outside section, so follow us.
Let's go.
Step inside my backyard. So this is the workout room. This is where I was actually this morning, getting my workout in.
I wasn't here, but it's
There's
fine.
actually quite a few people in there right now, so we won't enter the workout station room, but it's there. Treadmills, weights,
Full workout room, so that's super sweet. Take you over to the pool.
Welcome to our pool. This is basically my favorite area of the entire place because, like, hello, who doesn't want to go in the jacuzzi like every single day?
We've got a whole play area for the kids back there. Heated pool, people, okay?
Heated.
This gets like, I don't know, probably like nice. 70 to 80 degrees. I don't know.
We're not
It's
sure.
heated, it's nice. Super nice jacuzzi over there. And the
But
really
look,
cool
you
thing-
guys, this is how we spend our days, most days.
This is how we spend most days, drinking our lattes, you know,
Espressos.
on our, what do you call this?
Lounge
On
bed.
our lounge bed
Lounge
chairs.
bed.
So
All right,
that's
moving on,
fun.
you guys.
So follow us to our second favorite part of the day.
I'm in my zone, grab your girls, grab your phone and let's go. Get ready, we going.
Tell me this area isn't like so dope. Perfect for entertaining all of our friends.
All of our guests.
We have a nice little fire pit here. There's some barbecues, some nice seating going on here.
Yeah.
Some table space over there for your feast.
I cannot wait for the summer too, because this is going to be lit, literally.
It's kind of
It's
warm.
going to be probably
I
lit.
feel the warmth.
But yeah, this is the fire pit area. We already showed you guys like the game room, the play area room. We got our cappuccinos and our espresso machine.
If you guys haven't seen our actual empty house tour, we'll link that below so you guys can go watch that and kind of catch up to see like where we're living for real.
But yeah, we just wanted to show you guys like the rest of the little facilities that we have going here. So we're gonna get on with the rest of our day. Forgot to mention, we have a park.
An entire park,
An
you guys.
entire
There's like
park,
a
you
play
guys.
area if you want to go play and slide and shit like that. You want to like play soccer.
You want a picnic?
We don't play soccer, but maybe we'll do
Frolic in the
maybe we'll do
park.
back handspring, round off back handspring
Yes.
step outs. full twisting layout.
I'm snake one. We Benty today at the chateau. Had a heart, man, I'm trying to get it back, though. White linen, white rose, let's go. Oh, oh. So please, baby, talk slow, talk slow. I'm off the blow, I'm off the draw, I'm in my zone. Grab your girls, grab your phone, and let's go. Get ready, we going to the shot.